Well, look what we have in today. We have got this beautiful 2025, only 200 miles on the clock, GT3RS in GT Silver for my ceramic coating package, the new car protection package. This car is going to be hammered around track in the next couple of weeks. So my client has only just got it. It's had front end PPF and it's in with me for ceramic coating. We're going to protect it from all the rubber, all the brake dust that's going to build up on it, so that when he comes to wash it himself after these track days, it is going to be a breeze to do. He's got nothing to worry about. How do I get this tar off, this rubber? Nothing to worry about. It's going to come off easy as. So as you can see, I have got the car all prepped. I haven't done anything with the front end because, like I said, this has just had PPF within the last week. So I'm not even going to touch this bar in putting a coating on it. Whereas from the door onwards, that is not PPF'd, so we're going to get some paint correction done on that. Really not a lot to do. There is a couple of marks on it, and it needs a bit more of a refinement more than anything, just to get that paintwork a bit more crisp and clear. So we are all ready for polishing. We've done the wash stage, so let's rewind the tape, see the wash stage through, bring it all the way back to where we are here, and then we'll get some polishing work done. Well, there we have it. The wash stage is done, and here we are with what you saw at the intro of this video. So, as you can see at the minute, the paintwork really is in bad condition. It's done 200 miles on the clock, so it's nothing major at all. Front end's PPF'd, so we're not touching that. So we've got the roof to do, we've got the rest of the car to do. We're going to go with a single stage, and it's very rare that I use just a white pad. It's a very soft pad, and I'm not going to use anything too hard with this. If I find anything along the way that is a little scratch or whatever, because you never know when they come from. They come from Germany, these, don't they? So you've got to think they're getting transported all the way from there on the ferries, and then they're in the hands of many different people, getting moved about. You never know what happens with them. And accidents do happen. So we'll go around the car whilst we're polishing, making sure that there's nothing like that on there. Like I said, the main thing is it just needs a bit of a refinement, just to crisp that paintwork and get it a bit clearer. Like I said, we're going to use, whoa, that was close. We're going to use the Final Cut 9000 from Cartech along with their white pad, and then if need be for the final refinement stage, we're going to go for a black pad and their 12,000 refinement compound. So let's get stuck in with this one. Let's see how we get on. Let's see what the results are. We've only got a day to complete this. I'm going to get it done in the day anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. We'll get the heat lamp on it. We're going to get the coating baked on so that then my client can actually come and get this tonight and take it back to his garage, store it until its first track day in Zandvoort in a couple of weeks' time. So looking forward to seeing that one round track, as well as all my other clients' cars as well. So let's get stuck into it. And just like that, that is all the polishing work done. Probably by far one of the easiest cars that I've done regarding swirls, scratches and whatever. There was hardly any. These carbon bits had a few swirls on it, the roof as well. But other than that, the paintwork, very, very minor swirls on it. And just a refinement stage has brought it back to life. The challenging part was getting in all these little grooves and little small areas and not trying to clip any of the stickers. But overall, really wasn't too bad to do. So it is now onto the coatings. We have got a 5-year ceramic coating going down. This coating is probably going to surpass 5 years with this car. It gets stored in a garage, it gets used on track days, and that's about it really. It's not really going to be a weekend car, I'm sure. It is just going to be a track car. It's what it's made for though, so why not? So the coating is Carbon Collective Nero. It is safe to use on PPF and paintwork, so we're going to be applying that to the full vehicle. And then for the glass and for the wheels, we've got other coatings, Carbon Collective as well. Can't remember the name of them exactly, but it is a separate glass coating, it's a separate wheel coating. So we'll get the faces of the alloys done, we'll get all the glass done, including the wing mirrors as well, because we don't like to miss them. And then that will be the car all done. We'll then do the interior, a nice little clean on the interior. It really isn't bad in there, but just to hand over, and it's all clean, looking nice for my client. Now, like I said, we're on with Carbon Collective Nero. Here she is, the bad boy. Let's pull her out. I've got 2 bottles. One's very close to being empty, and one is full. Sorry. We're going to grab one of them. We're going to grab one of these. We're going to apply that on there like that. And then we're going to make sure that we're tucking it in here. This way we know that it's not going to fall out of our hands whilst we are applying it, because that would be the last thing that we would want. So that is all on like that. Put them back in there and we're ready to go. Now, would you believe it? The GT3RS is complete and looking amazing. I haven't even took it out yet, but I'm about to and grab some photos of it all done outside. At the back, we've got the coating baking on still. We've just got that last panel to do, and then that is the full car baked and it is ready to go in the next few hours. So interior's done, paintwork's done, wheels done, glass done. It's been a very busy day. Luckily, the car's not been in a bad condition, so I've not had too much to work with, so that's been great for my timing. But yeah, it's all done. So a run through of what we did the safe wash at the start. I did a liquid decontamination. I didn't go with a mechanical just because I didn't believe it needed it. So just a liquid to get that light contamination off between factory to my client's ownership. We then carried out a single stage polish, more of a refinement stage though, and then got all the coatings down. We went for the 5-year ceramic coating from Carbon Collective Nero. That was safe to use on the PPF and on the paintwork. We've then gone for Carbon Collective wheel and glass coating. Can't remember the name again, but that's both of them all coated, and the car is fully complete and just looking amazing. I mean, look at it. It really does. It looks good in here, and I'm sure it's going to look even better outside and even better so on track. So let's get this car outside, let's get it photographed. My client is going to come get it in a few hours once it is fully cured and safe to go out. It is only going to go back to another garage, but we want to make sure that it is fully prepared and ready to go. So I will leave it there with me. You're going to now see the finished and end result of this once it is outside. Thank you ever so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe. Anything you want to see in the future, any video ideas, any product reviews, absolutely anything, drop it in the comments and I will be sure to read them all. Thank you very much.